Shenzhen Nanbin Fashion Limited Company is a supplier located in Shenzhen, China. Nanbin been deeply involved in waist trainer for 6 years and own a large factory. Nanbin is a waist trainer expert. Nanbin has only done one thing in the past 6 years, focusing on offer quality waist trainer. They often improve product technology. Nanbin is always leading the market trend. In 2015, they took the lead in using natural latex material. In 2016, they added double stitches and non-allergic lining fabric. And next year, they offer color-blocking hollow waist trainer. In the past 2019, they designed multiple colors and styles. In 2020, Nanbin also used YKK zippers. Nanbin can say proudly, "We are expert in waist trainer." With the development of the waist trainer fashion, Nanbin will bring you more surprises in the future. Nanbin is a design-driven company. They have 2 local professional designers, and also they cooperate with independent designers in American. They have over 30 design patents and many hot sell products selling well for over 2 years. Nanbin currently has over 20 sales staff who can help you make your design come true. The main sales markets are in the United States, Europe, and South Africa. Their factory uses imported machines and experienced workers. Just remember, if you're interested in the waist trainer fashion, Nanbin must be one of the partners you can't miss.